going to be sanctified in the life of, in the picture of this sanctuary? First, we must die. Is that the furniture of the altar of sacrifice?
Yes.
Self must die. We need to die how often? Daily, moment by moment. I die daily. It is not a word that as I live, but Christ liveth in me. And Paul said, I am crucified with Christ. This is how we are going to be sanctified. We are going to be crucified. We need to be crucified together with Christ. And you cannot crucify yourself. So let ask the Lord, Lord, allow me to be crucified. Who crucified Christ? The wicked. Then you must be crucified by the wicked. And then when we are crucified, then we must die, and then self must be buried, washed and clean. That's a symbol of baptism. We must bury our old self. Then when you are buried, meaning you're dead and buried, and then the old self must be gone. When you are resurrected, new person must live, and born again Christian. We must experience the born again experience as Jesus taught to Nicodemus. You must be born again. And when you are born again, you must be a new creature, a new person. Meaning a new desire, a new heart, a new thoughts, a new appetite, a new lifestyle.